For this project, you will need 8 turquoise pipe cleaners, 1 dark blue pipe cleaner, a pencil, a thick marker, fingernail clippers, googly eyes, and thick white craft glue. Hold 1 turquoise pipe cleaner up against a pencil, leaving about a 1-inch tail. Wrap it around and around the pencil in a bundle, one wrap right on top of the other. Tuck in the end. This will be the head of the dinosaur. Slide it off the pencil and bend the tail so it's straight down, forming a neck. Set it aside. Now hold another pipe cleaner right up against your thick marker and wrap it, instead of a bundle, more like a spring, one wrap right next to the other one. Keep it on, hold another pipe cleaner next to it, and wrap it around in between the coils so you have a thicker spring. Now take a third pipe cleaner and start wrapping it on top of your coil on half of it. We're just bulking out the body of the dinosaur now. Be sure and tuck in the ends each time you finish a wrap from now on. Wrap another one on the other half. Tuck in the end. And then wrap the next 2 pipe cleaners in the middle so that you're forming a hump or a thicker part of the dinosaur's body. Make sure you tuck in the ends at the beginning and the end. Slide the body off the marker, and then on one end we'll make a tail. Do this by pulling out the last coil and making it smaller so it comes to a point at the end. And then coil a few more times just to make a nice tapered tail. We're also going to bend the middle so that our body has a slight curve to it on the back. Set the body aside and fold the last turquoise pipe cleaner in half and clip it with your fingernail clippers. Fold one piece in half and then thread it through the underside of the body up near the end opposite the tail. Thread it through and then take a pencil on one side, start at the end, and make a coil like a spring with the end. You'll be forming the front leg. Remove the pencil and then bend the leg so it's facing straight down. Do the same thing with the other side. And bend the legs into place. Now do the same thing with the back legs toward the end of the body right before the tail. Arrange the legs so your dinosaur can stand. Now insert the neck into the body and twist one of the coils around the neck tightly so the head stays in place. Now we'll make the spikes. Form just a 1/4 inch little tail at the end of the dark blue pipe cleaner and then start bending it back and forth to make the spikes. You want to make the bottom of the spikes even, but then start making the spikes on top bigger and bigger as you go along till you get to the middle and then taper back down. Leave a little tail at the end as well. Stick the tail into the head so it's secure, and then stretch out the spikes along the length of the body and insert the opposite end into the end of the tail and twist it to hold it in place. Now arrange the spikes evenly along the body and sort of tuck them in between the coils so that they stay close to the body and secure. The last step is to glue on the googly eyes with the white craft glue. Let them dry and you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner crafts and other ideas.